Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be explaining that how to create Windows bootable USB flash drive. What you have to do, the process is very simple. Now you will have to come to Microsoft official site to download any of Windows. I won't recommend you that you should go ahead and download any Windows from any other third-party website because there can be some custom created Windows and probably your privacy can be in risk. Alright, it's better to come to Windows official website. Now once you come up here, you need to scroll down and select your editions. As we selected Windows 8.1 because this is the general and professional window, click on confirm and select your product language. As we selected United States English, click on confirm and click on 64-bit download. Your download will be automatically start. As I downloaded already here, so I cancel my download up here. In the next process, you have to download the applications to make your USB bootable. You have to come to Google and search Rufus. Scroll down up here and download the latest versions. Rufus 4.4. It is about 1.4 MB. After download, click on the downloaded file Rufus 4.4. As you see here, this type of format will be read against you. Now what you have to do, you have to select your boot window. Click on the select option and select your desirable window. As I selected window 8.1, here you come and partition scheme. Select MBR and target system will be BIOS and click on the start button. Make sure that your USB flash drive should be at least 8 GB and all formatted and cleared. As you see here, our Windows 8.1 successfully booted an USB flash drive. Okay guys, that's all for now.